With our Kornkönig, or rather the KK series, you can bring more freshness and flavor to your baked goods. By roasting seeds and then making the cooking pieces, the roasted aromas are fully preserved and volatile essential oils are bound. Due to the high water binding, the freshness is also kept for much longer. The preheating time is around 40 minutes and is stored in the auto start program of the control system. The operator can therefore start the roasting process or the cooking piece production immediately at the start of the shift. With a quantity of roasted goods of 100 kilograms, the roasting process takes around 45 minutes at a temperature of 120 degrees. For a cooking process based on flour cooking piece at a temperature of around 70 degrees, you should plan around 30 minutes. We would like to come back to the roasting of seeds and the subsequent production of grain cooking piece. This production process offers a wide range of possibilities. Below you can see the production of a malt cooking piece with an proportionate leftover bread. Made in our regional partner bakery with a KK 250 from the very beginning. In the first phase of the recipe, leftover bread is added. In the case shown, dried leftover bread slices. These are cooked in the first step of the recipe until a paste has formed with the help of the remaining moisture, with the mixer running in intervals, left and right. In the second phase of the recipe, the paste is lightly toasted. Both the cooking time and the toasting time depend on the amount of leftover bread added and must be determined during the first recipe run and then added to the basic recipe. In the third recipe phase, grist and active baking malt are added manually. Depending on the integrated option, the water dosage is carried out using weighing cells or a water flow measurement. A quick note here. All recipe steps such as the time-controlled left and right rotation of the agitator, roasting and cooking times, as well as manual product additions are anchored in the previously created basic recipe. A manual addition must be acknowledged. The processing time of our malt cooking piece with proportionate leftover bread is 3.5 to 4 hours. Result? A highly aromatic product that could easily be used as a spread. Our Kornkönig are available in the following sizes: KK 120, KK 200, KK 350, KK 500 and KK 650. We also manufacture sizes 120 and 200 as a low version upon customer request. This has the advantage of a low filling height. However, this reduces the discharge height and you need more space. We generally recommend our high versions. These are filled using a standard mobile platform ladder and enable direct emptying into the kneader tub. The basic version is manufactured with a container inclined at 3 degrees. Our spiral agitator not only enables the homogeneous mixing of your products during production, but also ensures efficient product emptying. The agitator's scrapers are equipped with a quick change system for quick maintenance. In addition to the weighing cells already mentioned, the basic versions can be expanded with further options, such as an emptying system or automated cleaning with cleaning lances including rotary spray heads. As production-relevant options, we have the lifting function and cooking under pressure in our portfolio, which can be seen in the following contribution. With the lifting-lowering option, the container unit can be raised by up to 12 degrees. This guarantees optimal and efficient product emptying not only for seeds after roasting, but also for cooking pieces. The patented function of cooking under pressure, like the pressure cooker principle, has a number of advantages. For example, cooking time is around 40% shorter. This shortened cooking time means either a significant energy saving or an increase in capacity for you. We have many more innovations in store for you. We are happy to answer any questions you may have. Of course, we are also happy to implement larger projects with you. As you can see from this table, this type of construction allows for roasting and cooking, and depending on the configuration, poolish can also be produced. The systems are therefore equipped with either a thermal oil heating system or a sustainable ice-water cooling system. Do you need more information? The 3D presentation has become an important tool in recent years. Simply arrange a consultation appointment via Zoom or Teams. We look forward to your inquiries. Your team from VSR Bakery Systems.